Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. Here we are going to see a video on textile processing. So first of all, I welcome you all for this video. In this video, we are going to see the selection of dyes, dyeing objectives, dyeing methods, dyeing machines and equipment, types of textile dyeing machines. So the selection of dyes, the main criteria of the selection of dyes depends upon the following factors: end use of the fabric, fiber content, fabric structure, requirement of color fastness, penetration and absorption of dyes, cost of dye stuff, methods of application, etc. So dyeing objectives. The main objectives of dyeing are to impart the color to the textile substrates, fibers, yarns, fabrics and garments uniformly and producing uniform leveling. Next, to achieve the acceptable durability of color to further treatments in productions and normal end use. To reproduce the required shades from batch to batch. To use reasonable priced dyes and dyeing procedures. To provide and use eco-friendly process, fixing the color in the shortest possible time. Next, dyeing methods. Textile materials can be dyed using the following methods: batch dyeing, continuous dyeing, semi-continuous dyeing process. Various types of dyeing methods are used in the industries to dye the textile materials such as fibers dyeing, yarn dyeing, fabric dyeing and garment dyeing. Apart from these, some of the fibers which are difficult to dye in a convenient dyeing process can be dyed as a dope dyeing process. Next, dyeing methods. The type of dyeing process used depends upon the several things including types of material, fibers, yarns, fabrics, fabric constructions and garments. The type of the fiber, size of the fabric, lots and the quality requirement in a dyed fabric. Machinery used for the dyeing must be resistant to attack by acids, bases and other auxiliary chemicals and dyes. Stainless steel is normally used as a construction material for all parts of dyeing machines that will come in contact with the dyeing formulations. Next, we are going to see about the batch dyeing. Batch dyeing process. The batch processes are the most commonly used to dye textile materials. Batch dyeing is also called as exhaust dyeing methods because the dye slowly migrating from a dye bath to the material being dyed over a relatively longer period of time. The dye is said to be an exhaust form, the dye bath to be substrate. Textile substrates can be dyed in batch dye process in almost any stage of their assembly into a textile product including fiber, yarn, fabric or garment. The main advantage of the batch dyeing process is flexibility in color, selection and cost of dyeing is lower. There are three general types of batch dyeing machineries: machines in which the fabric is circulated, machine in which the dye liquor is circulated while the material being dyed in stationary, machine in which both dye liquor and materials are circulated. Fabrics and garments are commonly dyed in the machines in which the fabric is circulated. The formulation is in the turn agitated by the movement of the material being dyed. Fibers, yarns and fabrics can also be dyed in machines which hold the material stationary and circulate the dye liquor. Jet dyeing is the best example of machine that circulates both the fabric and dye bath. Jet dyeing machines are excellent for weak fabrics, but foreign fabrics can also be dyed using the jet machines. The sum of the examples of batch dyeing machines are jigger dyeing machines, winch dyeing machines, soft flow dyeing machines and others. Next, continuous dyeing. Continuous dyeing process. In the continuous dyeing process, the textile substrates are continuously fed into a dyeing range. The speed of the dyeing ranges can vary between 50 to 250 meters per minute depending on the type of the machines and the type of the fabric used. A continuous dyeing process typically consists of the following dyeing applications: dye fixation with heat or chemical and rinsing and or washing. Continuous dyeing can be found to be the most suitable for the woven fabrics. Mostly continuous dye ranges are designed for the dyeing blends of the polyester and the cottons. The step of padding plays a key role in the operations of continuous dyeing. Sometimes the nylon carpets are also dyed in the continuous processes, but the design range for them is at fabrics. Warp yarns are also dyed in the continuous process in denim industry. The continuous dyeing processes. The following steps may prove useful. Applying low add-on wicker application systems along with minimizing the volume capacity of the dip through when pad dyeing techniques are in operation. Adoption of latest dispensing systems where the chemicals get dispensed online as separate streams. They get mixed only at the moment just before the delivery to the applicator. Using any of the following systems for dosing of a padding liquor, important to know that it should be strictly according to the measurement of the peak of the proper measurement of dyeing liquor quantity consumptions in comparison to the processed fabric. The resulting values that obtained are processed automatically and applied in the preparing the next comparable batch. Semi-continuous dyeing. The process of semi-continuous dyeing consists of pad batch, pad jig, pad roll. In the process, the fabric is the first passed through with the dye liquor that is called a padding machine or padding mandrel. Then it is subjected to batch-wise treatment in a jigger. It could also be stored with a slow rotation for many hours. In the padding batch, this treatment is done at the room temperature, while in pad roll, if it done at increased temperature by employing a heat chamber. This helps in fixation of the dyes on to the fibers. After the fixation process, the material in full width is thoroughly cleansed and rinsed in continuous washing machine. Semi-continuous dyeing process. Some of the important features of dope dyeing is also follows. Dye color solutions are faded proof under all conditions. Color fastness to light is outstanding and is mainly used for draperies, outdoor carpets, automotive fabrics and other applications where long sunlight exposure is required. To produce the darker shades in blue, dark, black, brown and green widely used in the fashion apparel fabrics because range of colors is widely very limited and it's very expensive. Perfect color and reproduction consistency from the dye lot to lot can be achieved. Solution dyed fabrics of acetate do not gas fade. Next, dyeing machines and equipment. So the dyeing machines and equipments are the objectives of dyeing machines. To provide the maximum contact between the dye liquor and the fibers within the reasonable amount of time without causing damage to the substrate. Classification of the textile dyeing machines. The textile dyeing machines are classified into two types: rope dyeing machines, open width dyeing machines. Rope dyeing and rope dyeing machines. In the case of rope dyeing machines, the fabric gets transported via the machine in a loose collapsed form that looks like a rope. Rope dyeing has a tendency of abrasions of the fabrics and result in permanent cracks, creases and streaks. Open width dyeing machines. In the case of open width dyeing machines, the fabric gets maintained at all times in the flat and open condition, as open width dyeing works by applying tension to the fabrics, and this has the potential to form the wedge mark along with creases in tubular knit tubes. Types of textile machines. The beam dyeing machine, hand dyeing machine, jet dyeing machine, jig dyeing machine, padding dyeing machine, package dyeing machine, winch dyeing machine, sample dyeing machine. Stock dyeing. In the process of dyeing, loose fibers are dyed by circulating the dye liquor continuously through fibers. Important features of stock dyeing. Expensive method of dyeing. Production is less. 10 to 50% of waste of dyed fabrics during dyeing. Excellent penetration of dye into fibers. Fashion risk. It means that the final color of the fabric has to be decided in earlier stage it is manufactured. Yarn dyeing. There are various types of yarn dyeing machines such as a laser dyeing machine, rope dyeing machine, hand dyeing machine, package dyeing machine and dyeing. Important features of yarn dyeing. Important features of yarn dyeing are some of these dyeing machines are cheaper than stock dyeing machine. Excellent color penetration of dye into fibers than the piece dyeing. Reason for use: to produce stripes, plates and checks the other multicolored designs. Skein dyeing. In this type of dyeing, loosely wounded hands, skeins of yarn are immersed into dye container. Important features of skein dyeing. It is suitable for nets and carpets, whereas fuller bulk is more desirable. Cotton, woolen, silk and bulk acrylic yarns are generally dyed by this method. Package dyeing. In this type of dyeing, the yarns are wound on the package in the form of spools, cones or a similar unit, and these packages of yarns are stacked on a perforated rod in a rack and then immersed in a tank. In this tank, the dye is forced upwards from the rod under pressure through the spools and then back to the packages towards the center to penetrate the entire yarns as thoroughly as possible. Important features of package dyeing. More suitable for woven and knitted fabrics, can be performed on larger scale, gives uniform results. Yarn packages stationary and dye liquid is circulated from inside to outside of the packages. Package tension is critical. Faster to get uniform dyeing can be used for use fibers, slivers, bark yarns and fabric with a proper modifications. This is the image of package dyeing. Next, beam dyeing. It is a larger version of package dyeing in which the yarn or full width of woven or knitted fibers is wounded on a perforated cylindrical beam and enclosed in a container. Dye stuff is circulated under pressure through a perforation, same as package dyeing machines. In this type of dyeing, warp yarns are dyed in a solid color prior to weaving or warp knitting. Important features of beam dyeing: provide for good color absorption, better color fastness than piece dyed method. So fine wool, I am concluding this. Thank you.